Hello everyone! Did you hear the latest news about SolidCAM World? It's going to take place on September 15th and 16th during IMTS, which means it's happening right at the heart of the International Machining Technology Show, the biggest in the world, the global stage where manufacturing leaders, breakthrough technologies, and next-generation production ideas converge in one place. SolidCAM World will take place at the same venue as IMTS, at the McCormick Place, giving you the unique opportunity to experience both events together, one destination, double the innovation, and non-stop manufacturing inspiration. More details coming soon. See you there.